Papa. People keep asking for different sweets.
Hmm.
Who decides which sweet the shop makes first?
That's a very smart question. And the person is called product owner.
Welcome to Concept Playground, where complex ideas are playfully explained. Imagine a sweet shop. Some customers want chocolate sweets, some want traditional sweets, some want sugar free sweets. But the shop has limited time, limited ingredient, limited people. So there should be someone who must decide what matters the most now. In Scrum, there is a role for this decision. That's called product owner. The product owner responsibility is very simple. They decide what to build and they decide what to be built first. They do not tell the team how to work or how to increase the speed for the work. They focus only on the value of the work. In our sweet shop example, making every sweet for every customer sound nice, but choosing the wrong sweets at the wrong time create waste and confusion. So the real question is not can we make this? The real question is should we make this now? So a product owner listens to customers, understand the business needs, order work by importance. They keep asking what gives the most value if we build next? They bring clarity, not pressure. In Scrum, a product owner is not a project manager, is not a boss, is not someone who assigns the task. Product owner's job is decision making, not people management. So remember this, the product owner decides what to build next and in what order. And team decides how to build that. If the explanation helped you, like my video, subscribe to my channel and put your comment on what you want to see next. See you in the next video.
Papa, so the product owner decides the priority, not the work?
Exactly.
Thank you, Papa.